Right, so today I'll be showing you how to tag or mention someone in an Instagram story after you've already posted it. So for instance, let's go to our Instagram account, and then this is a story I've already posted, an Instagram story. And then I remembered I needed to tag someone, or I needed to mention someone in this Instagram story. So to do that, just go to that story, and then at the bottom there, you will see the option to mention. And then that's going to open your list of people, and you can mention anyone. Okay, so for instance, I can come here and mention this user. I can also search for a user to mention. So for instance, I can go and look for this user and then mention that user in my Instagram story, and then tap on add. Simple as that. Now I have added those two users in my Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.